how to start running tons of traffic to your website or your landing page. You gotta understand the strategy, but most importantly, you gotta also be able to apply the things I'm going to share with you, because the things I'm going to share with you right now are going to truly revolutionize the way you do business forever. So stay tuned and look for it, guys. Start building your Dream 100. So what is a Dream 100? To do a quick recap, a Dream 100 that all the people, all the guys that are in your industry that are already talking to your dream customers. So those guys, let's say you're into entrepreneurship. Maybe you got Grant Cardone, Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson, Gene Graziosi, Entrepreneurs on Fire, the podcast by John Lee Dumas. You get all those people, it's like all those guys, they already congregated your dream audience, your entrepreneurs. So you list all those people that talk to your dream customers in your market. Then what you're going to do is that you're going to build strategical relationship with those guys. And some of them may be really big, like big influencers. Some of them may be like mid to little level influencers. But the thing is, you got to start building those relationship ups. You got to build those relationships. And the way you're going to do that is by serving them, giving them value into something that you see have a unique value. And don't say, oh, I don't know, like, because I'm learning things from them and I don't know how to get the value because I do not have something different. You have something different. You have a unique skill, a unique way. If you commit enough, you're going to be creative. You're going to be able to find a way to help them out. So build a relationship through serving them, giving them something. Do not ask something in return. Just be like, hey, just made this for you. Enjoy it. Check it out. Just free. No things asked for you in return. Just give those things to those people. Build genuine relationships, because those guys, let me tell you something, those guys that are the top, especially the guys, the more you climb the ladder, the more those guys that are going to be solicited every day by people that want to take something from them. Nobody's really ready to serve them actually to get something nice and build a genuine relationship. If you're able to show that you're different, that you show you really care and that you want to help them, you're different, you're passionate, those relationships that you're going to build are going to be extremely powerful. And down the line, when you guys build a relationship that's deep enough, you're going to be able to use each other's businesses to promote each other, build your own list, use each other's list, collaboration, podcast episode, using ways to get your business and more revenue. You got to start creating your affiliate army now. So those are more like premises, things that you need to do right now in order to get started and to get the ball rolling. But you got to build your affiliate army. One of the best source of traffic are affiliates, because those guys are selling your products whenever you're not doing it. That's pretty incredible. The thing is, with affiliates, you got to understand two things. Thing number one, you got to train them. You got to make them super affiliates. So you got to give them a training, simple, like some kind of a course, a video course, to make them understand, okay, what are the things that you guys need to do in order to see the maximum amount of success. Number two thing that you need to do is that you need to pay them well. A lot of affiliates are really interested in, the monetary gain that we'll get from your products. Why should they promote your products instead of somebody else's? And one of the best ways to actually make them do that is by paying them the best way possible, give them as many bonuses, maybe doing some kind of a contest. If like the first 10 affiliates and the number one actually gets a huge prize, that's going to motivate them to actually make some sales. Creating your army of affiliates is extremely interesting and extremely simple. You just got to understand that you need to pay them well and that you need to train them. That's going to be the best way that you can see some results. And you got to start small. Everybody starts that builds a huge affiliate business or a huge affiliate part of the businesses. They started with one person, then two, then three. Then they readjusted the processes because they saw the need to fix something. You got to understand that if you start in a lane and that you keep being on that lane, that you just stay focused and your goal is just to get better and better every day, everything is going to happen the right way. Now, next step of the process. Are you guys excited about what I just sharing? If you do, make sure that you subscribe and you comment what is the best way and the way that you're going to use to run traffic to your business right now. Produce content that solves problems. And I know everybody on the planet already told you, you got to create content that brings value. What the fuck does that mean? Let's be honest. What the fuck does that mean, guys? You got to understand that 99.99% of the content in this planet doesn't bring customers to the people that are producing it. I think more than 96% of the YouTubers are not living above like poverty level, so $30,000 in a year. So that shows that everybody is not able to use and to do the correct call to actions, to do the correct kind of videos, to solve enough problems to actually get people to be like, hey man, like I need your help. I need your help on something. So make sure that you build content that solves problems. make sure that you do that. Because if you're just throwing content that's just, hey, I'm doing this video because whatever, it is my vlog, here is my day. If you're not able to bring your own kind of value to the people that are watching your video, and that you're not able to bond that to a product or a service, you're not going to get customers. So make sure that you create content that solves a problem. That's extremely important. Do not do like content because you need to make content. Make content that solves a problem with an intent. And that's going to help you build that customer base. Boosting the whole system with paid ads. Paid ads is like, if you have a good base of cash, that's going to be a great thing that's going to be able to stabilize the whole process. You're going to be able to have that stable foundation. If you know how to advertise, if you know your audience deep enough, and if you know what kind of content is working and you're producing enough ad creatives, you're going to be able to have a stable income of advertisement, of paid ads coming into your doors, and being able to grab all that thing. Now, one thing that I need to share with you as well is that, as you can see, those 4 ways, they requires you to do 2 kind of efforts. Either to be the face of the company, because you build up that Dream 100, you need to be the person that's building the relationship ups. Or you're building up the affiliate army. Yeah, maybe you can outsource that a bit, but you gotta still, be the face of the company. You are producing content, I would recommend to have a face of the company, or you're paying ads. In that case, you're investing money, pure money. The problem is, and I see that with a lot of entrepreneurs that are not really committed to their businesses and that don't really want to grow it, you ask them those 2 questions. Oh, Gabriel, I cannot run traffic into my site, into my offer. Okay, great. Are you willing to be the face of the company? Heck no. Are you willing to pay for ads? Heck no. Then, like, man, your business is going to be dead in a few months. If you're not able to make the efforts to build those relationships up, to build that thing and be that face of the company, or to pay for money to get the traffic, man, I cannot do anything for you. You're not going to be able to get some results. There's no such thing as a thing like that. You gotta either be able to be the face of the company, of somebody that's gonna be able to be the face of the company, or second option, you're gonna pay for ads. Ideally, you want to have the 2 options. That's going to be the best way for you to do that. Guys, remember, I got something for you. Check out this link, GabrielJulié.com/action plan, GabrielJulié.com/action plan. On this link, I got a daily action plan following the exact step process I just shared with you right now, going more deeper into each steps that you need to use, and it's valuable. It's working 24 hours, meaning that tomorrow is going to be out. So you got to go and check it out right now and make sure that you apply everything that's in it, because hey, 24 hours is gone. I'm forcing you to take action and to grow your business right now. So go and check it out, GabrielJ.com/action plan.